This is Andre Banks coming today from Banks Credit Chat discussing a fantastic article I found from USA Today. What credit score do you need to get approved by American Express? Now, American Express is the go-to place for anyone, one of the highest places you can get to in terms of receiving credit. And with American Express having such an incredible, impeccable uh, history and just brand recognition, everybody wants to get the American Express account or credit card account with American Express. So, found this article to be insightful. Want to dive right in? Of course, I'll put a link inside the description. What credit card score do you need to get approved by American Express? American Express issues many attractive credit cards which benefits and rewards, catering to various types of consumers and small business owners. Because of this, many people may wonder what credit score do you need to get approved by the issuer. Unfortunately, it's not a simple answer as it depends on which card you apply for and additional factors. We'll talk you through the credit score range you should have to enhance your chances of approval for Amex cards, the factors impacting your score, and tips for improving your credit. What credit score do you need to get an Amex card? The minimum credit score required to get approved for an American Express card depends on which card you apply for. While some issuers offer cards designed for those with less than stellar credit scores, American Express does not offer any subprime or secured cards. In most cases, you need at least good credit to get approved for an American Express card, with which FICO typically defines a score of 670 or higher. Other banks also issue American Express cards. This can cause some confusion because Amex is both a card issuer and a type of credit card. In more formal terms, a credit card payment network. American Express is a card issuer like Chase or Citi, but it's also a card type like Visa or MasterCard. This situation provides extra opportunities for consumers and small businesses to get approved for an Amex card. Each card issuer has its own criteria for approving of applications, so you're not limited to cards issued by American Express. How different cards require different scores. Like most banks, American Express issues a variety of credit cards to meet the needs of a diverse array of clients. With this in mind, Express cards require different levels of credit based on target audience. Below are a few of the most popular Amex cards and required credit to get approved. Just be aware that even if you have the required credit, it's possible to get denied due to other criteria. So that's your point. The Platinum credit card from American Express, good to excellent credit. Many experienced travelers use the Amex Platinum term applies as their go-to card for booked flights and hotels, get airport lounge access, enjoy another Avid travel perks. New card holders can earn a welcome bonus of 80,000 points after spending 6,000 on purchases during the first 6 months of card membership. Plus, the card earns 5 points per dollar on flights purchased directly with the airlines all through Amex Travel, up to 500,000 per calendar year, and 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels book with Amex. 1 point per dollar on dollar other purchases. The card also offers approximately 1,500 value with numerous credits for travelers, retailers, and more. The Ultimate Premium Card Challenge is an Ultimate Premium 695 annual fee, so you should know that. Delta Sky, good Gold American Express card, good to excellent credit. Frequent flyers of Delta appreciate the earning power and benefits of the Delta Sky Mile. Gold American Express card terms apply. Includes the first check bag free of Delta flights and 20% in flight purchases via statement credits. Additionally, you'll get $100 Delta flight credits when you spend 10,000 in a calendar year and have 15% off on all award flights. The welcome bonus is 40,000 miles after spending 2,000 purchases in the first 6 months of card membership, and the card earns 2 miles per dollar on eligible Delta purchases at restaurants and groceries at U.S. supermarkets. 1 point per dollar on other purchases. There's a zero intro annual fee for the first year, 99 thereafter. Hilton Honors Express Surpass card, good to excellent credit. Every one of these cards looks like it has to have a good to excellent credit. The Hilton Honors American Express card is one of the best credit cards for low cost elite status. Card holders receive automatic Hilton Honors Gold status and upgraded Diamond status when they spend 40,000 within a calendar year. It also includes an annual flight free night reward when you spend 15,000 each year and 10 priority pass lounge visits per year. Enrollment is required for select benefits. You earn 130,000 points plus a free night reward after spending 2,000 in purchases in the first 3 months of card membership. Plus, the card earns 12 points per dollar on eligible purchase making directly with a hotel resort within the Hilton portfolio, 6 points per dollar at U.S. restaurants, U.S. supermarkets, and U.S. gas stations, and 3 points per dollar on other purchases. There's a 95 annual fee to carry the Surpass. How the credit scale works. Many people assume that credit scores are static numbers. They don't change very often. If anyone in my channel knows that's not the case, but credit Scores are actually composite numbers representing multiple factors of credit behavior. For most consumers, credit bureaus update these factors multiple times throughout the month. And in some cases, updates happen daily and you cause your score to change from one day to the next. Payment history is 35%, amounts owed 30%. These are what makes up your credit score. Length of credit history 15%, credit mix 10%, and new credit 10 mix. All right, tips for improving your score. You can read that on your own. How does credit approval work? We kind of skip through a little bit. To get an American Express card, you start by choosing which card to apply for. During the application process, you provide some basic information, including contact information, date of birth, social security number, and annual income. Upon submitting your application, American Express pulls your credit score and credit report for review. Some applicants receive automatic approval, which includes their new credit limits. Other applicants are held for manual review. Applicants that require manual review, you issue a letter within 7 to 10 business days announcing the decision. If Amex decides your application, the letter will state why and provide instructions on how to receive a free copy of your credit report. It's pretty good. Note, Amex apply with confidence feature may allow you to know if you're approved without a hard inquiry. That's good. Apply with confidence feature may have you approved without a hard inquiry during dinging your credit. If you reject, your credit will see no impact, but you are approved. If you're approved for the card and choose to accept, you'll experience a hard pull and associated drop of a few points of your score at that point. If Amex approves your application, you should receive your new card within 3 to 5 business days. In some instances, you can access your card information immediately upon approval to start making purchases online, over the phone, or via your digital wallet on your smartphone. How to get approved from Amex card. To be approved from American Express card, it helps to have a solid credit score. America requires good to excellent credit for the majority of its credit cards. However, this chart looks at numerous factors when receiving applicants, including income, debt obligation, and existing Amex accounts and more. For customers with poor credit, Amex offers prepaid cards instead of subprime or secure cards, though it's important to note that prepaid cards are not credit cards and won't build credit. Well, that beats that point. If that's what you're seeking, if your credit score is too low to get American Express credit card, take a test to boost your credit until you have a FICO score of 670 or higher. You have a better chance of approval. What is the frequently asked question? What is the easiest American Express to get card to get approved for? Most American Express credit cards require at least a good credit score for approval. Although Amex doesn't offer secure cards, it does issue prepaid debit cards and gift cards. These cards are available at almost every type of student, no matter what you. So generally speaking, you need at least a 670, but I would strive for at least 700, 720, so you can kind of guarantee your chances of getting approved. The article was full of information. I kind of read through it quickly, but worth your time to take a look at. USA Today provided this, and I'll leave a link inside the description. If this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments, and for my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.